Wes Hopper from Queer4Cars, and we're here checking out the new Bronco two-door today. This is a prototype vehicle that is being shown to the Washington Automotive Press Association. There's some things in here that aren't quite final product ready, like the interior, so we're not supposed to do any shots of the interior. We're supposed to refer those to Ford's media pages, but we'll show you what we can. Yeah, but for sure, I'm going to show you the outside. Now, the big thing about this vehicle is that it is an off-roader, and you can see with those wheels and those tires that the Bronco is ready to roll. So the big thing about the Ford Bronco is that it is big. This is not the original small Bronco that you once saw back in 1966. This vehicle is the same size that you're seeing in the Jeep Wrangler and some of the other ones. It is very aggressive and it is very off-road ready. It does have the Ford blue oval on it, as a lot of people are asking whether it's going to become its own brand. You will notice the Ford Bronco, fucking Bronco over here as well. But look at these big Goodyear tires, big high lift in, it's great. Not a lot of space back here, but you're not going to need a lot of space when you're out doing your off-road stuff. Right here, oh, hey, there's a real jack in here. They do say that it carries a spare tire. I wonder where that would be. So where else are you going to put that big old off-road spare tire, this Goodyear? And it is, let's find the sizes on it, LT 31.5, 70, R17, so they're on 17 rims. So you can get up to 35-inch tires on this vehicle. So one thing that the Bronco is going to be known for is the fact that the rear view mirrors are not on the doors. So you can take these doors off and you can go off-road and enjoy the outside for sure. Very simple, it looks like.
A clip here,
okay,
for the electronics.
okay,
And there's a place here and here. It pops, it just sets on there, and then there's 2 bolts to mount it.
okay,
And it takes you about 3 minutes to do it.
okay.
Flexibility is the name of the game with the new 2- and 4-door Bronco, a unique max air structure providing the largest open-top view. The 2 available hardtops that come off in lightweight removable sections are made of composite material. All of these items are stowable in travel bags that can be either secured inside the vehicle, in your garage, or back at the base camp. Here you see Phaedra, of all things Phaedra, lifting one of the Bronco's doors. Her reaction was that it weighed about a large bag of dry dog food. Inside, unfortunately, we can't show you a whole lot about this interior because it is not the final interior. But it looks cool. Sadly, this is an automatic version, but there will be an off-road version with a manual transmission. All Broncos have 4-wheel drive. That is not, you can't get it in a 2-wheel drive version. You can't get it in a front-wheel drive version. You can't get it in a rear-wheel drive version. You can only get it in a 4-wheel drive version. Ford used as a design inspiration the instrument panel from the first generation 1966 Bronco. The back of the Bronco has seating for 2 passengers and features power outlets in both the rear as well as up front in the center console. These are power for your devices, cameras, and other toys. There will be speakers built into the roll cage of the Bronco. We found them located at the very rear of this prototype. This too may change as the vehicle is closer to coming to production. The Bronco's dash and interior that will come to market will be more refined than what is shown on this prototype vehicle. There will be a choice of touch screens, a standard 8-inch or an optional 12-inch. The Bronco will come with a new Sync 4 system and have compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the safety side, the Bronco will come standard with Ford's Copilot 360, a suite of advanced driver assist technologies that is standard across the entire Bronco lineup. And that will include pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. The Bronco will feature over-the-air updates for its computer system, much like the new Mustang Mach-E. Broncos are designed for unlimited personalization. Ford says bolts will have Bronco stamped into the head as an invitation to play. And with 1 hour and a wrench, a Bronco owner can strip the truck down and customize it to their needs. Like most custom off-roaders, there will be no such thing as a standard Bronco. All of them will be different, and Ford hopes that owners will indeed mod their Broncos throughout the truck's life, of course spending money on factory parts. The 2- and 4-door models will come to market with more than 200 optional factory-backed accessories for maximum personalization and capability that they can start the process with. All we saw were the shit handles for the front passenger, though we had hoped to see the gizmo rack as seen in press photos. It was not on this prototype, though we did get to see a very early silicone center switch setup, which, when it comes to market, will be impervious to weather. While the 270 horsepower producing 2.3-liter EcoBoost will be the standard engine in the 2- and 4-door Bronco, we were shown a prototype with the optional 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine producing 310 horsepower. There will be a choice of transmissions, a select shift, 10-speed automatic, or a 7-speed manual, 6 speeds with a crawler gear with a maximum 95:1 crawl ratio. 2 4x4 systems, the base system using a 2-speed electronic shift-on-the-fly transfer case, and the optional advanced system featuring a 2-speed electromechanical transfer case. Front and rear locking differentials will be optional. Haas suspension, high performance, off-road stability suspension system. Bronco will feature independent front suspension, like the Raptor, or some of those ultra-capable little 4x4s, and a Dana Advanced 44 rear axle. The Bronco also features an exclusive terrain management GOAT modes. GOAT mode goes over any type of terrain, including baja, rock crawl, and mud or ruts for off-road driving, plus slippery and sand, sport, eco, and normal to tackle any driving condition. To extend that GOAT goes over any type of terrain, the Bronco will offer trail control technology enabling a cruise control-like setting of up to 20 miles per hour forward and 6 miles per hour in reverse for vehicle-controlled throttle and braking. Also look forward to low-speed torque vectoring, which will apply the rear inside brake to pivot the vehicle on a trail. 2- and 4-door Broncos will have the best-in-class ground clearance, best-in-class approach angle, best-in-class breakover angle and departure angle, as well as fording capability of 23.6 inches of water, as well as optional cameras on each tire, helping reduce the need for a spotter on the trail. There will be 7 unique Bronco 2- and 4-door models, including Base, Big Ben, Black Diamond, Outer Banks, Wild Track, Badlands, and First Edition, which sold out immediately at the July 13th launch. The 2021 Bronco is built wild and will be a full family of functional off-road vehicles. This will be the vehicle to experience adventure with the toughness of the F-Series and the coolness of the Mustang. Reservations for Bronco 2- and 4-door, as well as sport models, can be made at Ford.com with a $100 refundable deposit. Our thoughts on the 2021 Bronco will make the SUV look tame, as it will be a part of what is now called an RUV, or rugged utility vehicle. Everything exists on the Bronco for a reason. There is nothing superfluous. It has trail sights on the front fenders for tying down items, as well as visualizing where the corners of the Bronco are. Thank you for joining us for this walk around of this rugged utility vehicle. We look forward to a future chance to walk you around the 4-door Bronco and the Bronco Sport, a more refined version that is designed as a vehicle to get you to Nirvana. We want to thank the Ford Motor Company and the rig driver from DST Industries for bringing the 2021 Bronco to the Washington Automotive Press Association this July for members to experience it in person. We are Queer4Cars, and we hope you are too. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video, share it with your friends, and follow us on our Queer4Cars YouTube channel and our Queer4Cars.com blog for more upcoming automotive reviews, automotive videos, and automotive lifestyle stories.
Yo, Mike, take a look at this.
Yeah,
The new Bronco.